If you are looking for a way to get monetized, this video is strictly for people that want to get monetized as soon as possible in less than 30 days. These tips that I'm going to be sharing with you right now, they are tested and they are trusted. So if you can be able to do as I say right now, then the chances of you getting monetized in less than 30 days is 100% guaranteed. Because if you've not heard it before, YouTube is literally helping smaller channels now. If you check out, small channels are blowing up like never before. You should be seeing it on your home page from time to time that small channels are taking over. You will see a small channel with like 1,000 subscribers having video views of like 20k, 30k, 40k. So the secret now is they are able to like know what is working out and what is not working out. So you have to try your best to pay attention, because this video is going to be really brief, and I'm going to be telling you how you can get monetized faster in no time. So first thing that I'll need you to do now, like I want to correct this particular mindset, because lately I feel that, and with the amount of students I've trained so far, a lot of you all feel that the best niche to actually focus on is YouTube growth niche. Like everybody wants to do how to get more views, how to do this, how to do that, and you all feel that this is the niche that is paying higher. Now let me shock you. I have about 2 students that recently monetized from a faceless niche, and they are earning way more than what I am earning. Yes, so if maybe you're coming on to YouTube and you're feeling that, okay, if I join maybe presidential market kind of growth niche, I'm going to grow faster, I'm going to get monetized faster. Mind you, these 2 students, though one got monetized in 2 months, but the other one got monetized in less than 30 days. And do you know the funniest part of this whole thing? They were actually doing my niche before. So this is to tell you that sometimes that particular niche that you are maybe yourself on might not really be what is going to bring you out to limelight. And a lot of you believe that if I come up here to talk about how to get views fast or how to get subscribers fast, my channel is going to grow fast and I'll hit that monetization really fast. No, it doesn't work like that. You can actually start your vlog channel and you get monetized faster. You can do any other thing and you get monetized faster. So that is one side, and this is me telling you out there, if maybe this is your condition presently, like maybe you're doing a particular niche because of you heard it's paying very well, and maybe you're doing a particular niche because of you heard, oh, I can get monetized faster, or maybe it's paying very well. See, there's what we call burnt out. That is burning out. You're definitely going to get burnt out. So in order for you to avoid this, try to look for a niche that you're comfortable with. Like there is what we call law of attraction. See, if you're doing something that you have passion for or something that you love, you're going to see results faster. I'm saying this now based on the experience I've had with some students and also on my channel. Sometimes you might start up a YouTube channel and maybe you're doing a need that is stressing you, that before you even drop one video, you need to edit, do stress. No, you have to calm down, try to think of, what do I even really want to do here? What is my passion here? And once you are able to like digest this whole thing and get the correct answer to your mind, the next thing you need to make sure you are doing is to go ahead and start looking for what people are searching for in your niche. As a YouTuber, if you want to get monetized faster, you have to learn how to be very smart. Like when it comes to making research, you have to make research very well. Try to watch creators in your niche. Try to check out videos that they are posting. Check out for the ones that are performing well. Recreate them. This is one big thing that differentiates all these big channels from small channels. Okay, now let me tell you guys something. There is this creator that I used to watch. I will not mention name. This creator, I look up to him a lot. And all of a sudden, I found another creator in China. Lo and behold, this creator that I used to look up to literally copies everything this China creator does on his channel, and that is what is giving him views. I even went to as far as watching the videos, and I discovered that most time their script is even the same thing. So this is to tell you that you can actually be in one particular niche. Look for a creator doing well in your niche. You can get up to like 3 or 4. Now once you get them, try to recreate those their videos that is performing well. You see this my viral video. This video, I took this title and the thumbnail idea from one particular smaller channel. Oh, and when I mean smaller channel in my niche, and you can see the amount of views I got. Even this other video here, all my viral videos, I got the ideas from a small channel on this YouTube street. Though there are still some that actually got from bigger channel. And how did I even get the idea? For the channel that actually took the title from, the channel posted the video, and under 3 to 4 days I saw that the video was getting views. Like, and this is a small channel with less than 2,000 subscribers, and this particular video gave that channel over 30k views in less than 4 days. So deep down I knew that this kind of video is going to perform well. That was why I decided to go ahead to recreate the video. But what we said in the video is not the same thing. Our video content is different from mine, like very different, but the title and the thumbnail is the same. And this is what gave me my most viral video. This same video idea also gave a lot of people in my niche their most viral video. Now you have to try your best to know what is trending in your niche. Whether you like it or not, there is something trending. Don't tell me that there's nothing trending. And secondly, for one of my students that does faceless Bible channel niche, he was even the one that came up to me and tell me that this is what is trending in my niche, and if you make a video on it, you're going to go viral. And that was how he was able to get his viral video that is currently over 128k views, and he got monetized in less than 30 days. So this is your chance, this is your turn. Just go ahead, apply this trick now that I'm just sharing with you right now. And if one of the video happens to blow up, sister, brother, you get monetized though, because from one single video you can get 4,000 watch hour. For one of my single video, I've gotten over 9,000 watch hour. So you just need to put all these things to place, and believe me when I say you're going to get monetized faster. And one sweet part of this whole thing is that YouTube is monetizing smaller channels. Like the rate at which YouTube wants to favor small channels now, it's alarming. So you have to try your best to fix yourself among the lucky ones to get monetized faster on YouTube, so that you can start earning money. Alright guys, this video is getting too long than I had expected. If you watch to this extent, you've not yet subscribed to my channel and you've not yet liked this video, please go ahead and like this video, drop me your comment, and also share this video. And the last thing that I will also want you to do is go down to the comment section, comment your needs. Now this is bonus for those people that watched to the end. Comment your need, and I'm likely going to check you out, that is check your channel out, and also encourage you, and also encourage you in your comment section. This is a bonus for those of you that watch video to the end. Now let's see how many people actually watched to this extent. So guys, bye bye now, and I'll see you all in my next video. Make sure you go ahead and apply these things and you get monetized fast. I'm rooting and I'm praying for every one of you out there. Okay, much love, and see you all in my next video.